Somebody asked me in a program the other day, is multitasking a curse or is it a blessing? Rendume irukkalam. Multitasking can be very, very creative if you can do different things and still give enough attention to do them well. But if you have to do something with excellence, multitasking becomes a curse. Because suppose you're trying to make a pot of sambar and you're multitasking. You pick up the phone in the middle, you text in the middle. You don't remember, did I put salt or did I not put salt? And you add a little more salt. And that becomes a little extra, right? Has this happened to you? It can happen. So when you are trying to do something with excellence, whether it's a project at the office, whether it is time with the children to get them to do something that's important, or whether it is in your own life, a hobby, fully pay attention and don't begin to multitask. If you do it with excellence and attention, one-pointed mind will help you achieve so much more than a many-pointed mind. And that's what we do in meditation. Every day we sit in the morning and we tell our mind, focus on your breathing, focus on your breathing, think about this positive thought, come back, think about this, and we become one-pointed. And that one-pointedness helps us with excellence in the day. Then when we do excellence in the day, it helps us in our meditation. We become even more one-pointed. Life is all connected. So please think about multitasking only when it is absolutely required, and at other times, pick one job and do it really well. So really, whatever you take should be worthy of your full attention, and give full attention so that you do it with excellence. Second, if you must change to another topic, then leave this and fully give attention to the next one. If you multitask, then have some checklist. Did I complete all these following things? Just give yourself a checklist. At that time, whichever is important, use that subject for giving your full attention. Then you'll be able to still achieve excellence. Good luck.
Champion a woman, she will build the nation.